I've been missing. Well, kinda. You see, I've been on YouTube for a little over a year, but for the last few months, I've been MIA. I have been, well, I started a job, a full-time job, and I decided, well, and it's in a warehouse, and I don't deal with the public. So I started a full-time job. It's in a warehouse, I don't deal with the public, and I don't have to wear makeup. Heck, I don't have to wear dress clothes. I wear jeans and a t-shirt nearly every day. Or a sweatshirt, but basically it's kind of like my jam, you know? Excuse me. Oh, by the way, this is as much cosmetic-y stuff I'm going to put on. It's Hemp's lip stuff. We'll do that. There you go. And so I tell people, I'm doing a little experiment. I'm not wearing makeup to see how people treat me. I'm lazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm lazy. So it's an experiment in laziness. And well, I still watch the YouTube videos. I still have a boatload of makeup, but now I have new things that I have to think about, like how do I make my how do I make my house run when I am this busy? Because you see, and how do I fit in fitness? So I started thinking, well, the best way for me to continue this YouTube journey is to kind of, you know, expand my horizons. We're gonna, not only will I do makeup, I'm going to restart wearing makeup again. Why? Because I like it. I love how people treat me when I look my best. And, well, I think we're going to do a little bit into like, hey, meal prep. I have to do that to make my house work. Otherwise we're eating McDonald's every night. Probably not great for my fitness goals. And I'm going to talk to you guys about my fitness goals. I'm not going to take you to the gym with me, but we will check in. And prior in my life, I've never had more than, I don't know, I didn't even have 2 nickels to rub together, let alone 2 dimes or quarters. Is that how that saying goes? But now I have new issues. I have money. I have excess funds. I don't know what to do with this. It's weird. I'm 39 years old and I have no idea how to manage my money. So right now it just all goes to the bank and all sits there. And I still have my frugal ways from being poor. So we're going to see how this works all together. Yeah. So you guys, nice to meet you. If this is your first video, welcome. But yeah, I'm kind of new here. Also,